Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
No energy early in the morning. Sleepy.
Good morning,
Everyone is
ma'am.
sleepy.
No.
You want to just get up and jump?
Ma'am,
Yes.
today is my happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Devarsh. Why don't you all sing for Devarsh before we start the class? I think somebody else also said it is his birthday. Was it Farmis?
Yes. Thomas.
Yes. Okay. Farmis has not come. So we'll sing for Devarsh. I think a lot of birthday babies are there today. Okay. Sing for him before we start the class. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. So happy birthday, Devarsh, once again. Yes.
Thank
Now
you.
we shall start. So please open your workbooks.
Workbooks. Part 2.
Workbook part 2. We finished part 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes? Have you opened?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. No.
Yes or no?
Number. Which page number?
Has everybody opened the workbook? Have you taken your workbooks?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I will wait 1 second. Let me also open.
Ma'am, page number.
1 second.
Page number.
Page number 2. Page number 2.
Yes, ma'am. I think.
Yes, you can see it on the board also.
Yes.
Yes. So we are going to do this exercise first. Okay. So what does the exercise say? Match the words with their meanings. You have to match the words with their meanings. Okay, the first word. So in one column you have words and the other column you have meaning. So the first word is grow. Joanne, can you read the words, read the phrases here and tell me what is the meaning of grow?
A light with
Hmm.
BEING
Being good, loving, and nice to others. Third one, that is C, is to become bigger. D, more than one. E, clean with water or soap. And F, to get something from one place to take it to another place.
C, to
C,
become big.
to become bigger. Okay, so that is C. Yes. Heba? Okay, Sriveni. Sriveni, can you tell me the second one? What is wash? What is wash? Don't look at my face. Look at the book. The meanings are given. Pick out the correct meaning and tell me. What is wash? You have the book with you, right, Sriveni? Look into the book.
Yeah.
Bhagat, can you tell me what is wash? Look at the meanings in column B.
Clean. Ma'am,
Uh,
clean.
you want me to read?
Clean with the water
Uh,
or
uh.
soap.
Okay, very good. Clean with water or soap. That is wash. So E. Clean with water or soap. That is E. Okay, the next one, bring. What is bring? Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
What is bring?
To get
Hmm,
something
hmm,
for
hmm,
one
hmm,
place
hmm,
and
hmm.
take it to another place.
Very good. To get something from one place and take it to another place. That is bring. Kindly please mute your audios. I can hear a lot of parents talking in between. Okay, next one, Anom. Yes. What is kind? What is kind?
Lovely and nice to others.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
Hmm?
know. Keba.
What is
Ma'am.
kind?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Who is calling me?
Keba.
Who? Deva.
Keba.
Heba. Yes, Heba, tell me.
Become good, love, and nice to others.
Being good, loving, and nice to others. Very good. Being nice, good, loving, and nice to others. That is kind. Okay. Yes. Madhur can you tell me what is breeze? What is breeze?
wind.
Very good. A light wind. Okay. And Vaiga, can you tell me what is many? What is many?
More than one.
More than one. Okay. So have everybody done that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move on to the next exercise. Yes. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, complete the synonyms for the following words. Synonym means words with the same meaning. Okay, you have to complete the meanings of these words. Okay, sorry. The first word is night. Sorry, right. Sorry, the words are not clear here. The first word is right, R-I-G-H-T. And you have a clue given there, C-R-R-C-T. Sarah, can you tell me the word?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Sarah? Yes, tell me the word. What is another word for right? Hmm? Sarah's word got stuck. Yes, tell me, Anom. Correct. Yes, the answer is correct. C-O-R-R-E-C-T. C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. Somebody's audio is causing a lot of disturbance. Please mute all your audios. When I call out your name, you can unmute and tell me the answer. Yeah, I can still hear someone's parents. Devarsh, please mute your audio. Devadaksh, please mute your audio. Yes. Okay, the second word is yummy. Yummy. What is, Devarsh, are you dreaming? You're on some other world, Devarsh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Heba.
Heba, yes, tell me Heba.
Tasty.
Tasty, yes. Another word for yummy is tasty. T-A-S-T-Y. Tasty.
Ma'am, next word I know. Ma'am, can I?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Abhinav.
Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav, tell me. Silent.
Quickly.
No. How can silent be quickly?
Quiet.
Quiet, yes.
Quietly.
Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Please tell me the name. I cannot make out from the
Afif.
voice.
Afif.
Afif. Okay, Afif. Tell me the last, the fourth one. Tiny.
Small.
Small. S-M-A-L-L.
L.
Small.
Ma'am, Devdaksh.
One second. Let me take the other slide. I'm just erasing this. I hope everybody's written this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let me insert the next one.
Wait, Linda.
Okay. The next one we have
Ma'am.
forest.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anthony Babu. Anthony Babu. Tell me, Anthony. Jungle. Yes. J-U. Sorry. Jungle. Jungle.
Ma'am, can I?
Please tell me the name.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Devdaksh.
Your name is not clear. Sriveni. Yes, Sriveni. Large.
Big.
Big. B-I-J. Big. So I hope you got all the words. The first one is correct. The second one is tasty. Then it was quiet. Then it was small and jungle. And the last one, big. All the words you've got?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished.
Ma'am.
Everybody has finished writing. Pamis,
Yes.
finished writing?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pamis?
today is my birthday.
Oh, yes, yes. I was just asking because it is Devarsh's birthday also today. So we wished him. Now we'll wish you. Okay. Many, many happy returns of the day, Pamis. God bless you.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you can wish
Happy
Pamis.
birthday, Famis.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Famis. Happy birthday, Famis. Happy birthday, Famis. Happy birthday, Famis.
Okay, so shall we move on to our daily test?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Please open your chat boxes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm Joanne.
Yes, Joanne?
I didn't get the link.
I have not sent. I'm only going to send. Where is that noise coming from? Daksha, please mute your audio. Okay, now I have sent. Why does everybody's video go off when I send the link? Please switch on your videos.
Amma. Amma.
Devadaksh. Why? Why, Aradhya? Why you want your father to come to help you? Only 5 marks. It's a very simple test.
Okay, ma'am.
Half the videos are switched off. I don't understand why.
Ma'am, can you read?
You want me to read the questions? Okay. But I want you all to switch on your videos. Why are your videos switched off? I don't understand.
My video is on.
Okay, the first question is, what does the word sail in the poem mean? What does the word sail in the poem mean? Go away, float, travel on water. Go away, float. I sent the link already. Go away, float, travel on water. Second question. Who is the child talking to?
Ma'am, link send
Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am.
Who is talking? Stain. Stain, your
Yes.
network is bad. Your video is getting stuck. Your voice is breaking. That's why you're not getting the link. Every time I have told you, if your network is not right, in spite of me sending the link, n number of times you're not going to get it. Please make sure you have a good network.
Okay.
Second question. Who is the child talking to? Teacher, grandmother, friend.
Ma'am, I finished.
Who is the child talking to? Teacher, grandmother, friend.
Ma'am, I finished.
I have not asked who all have finished. If you have finished, please sit quietly. There are others who are still writing the exam. Question number 3. Mention the animals listed in the poem. Mention the animals listed in the poem. Dog, lion, tiger. Fish, elephant, tiger. Goat, cow, dog. It's dog, okay? It's by mistake, it's come as D-O-D. It's dog. D-O-G. And fourth question. What do the heroes in the poem do? They travel. They build ships. Afif, can you please mute your audio?
Birds say in poem go away.
Abhinav, mute your audio.
Who
What do the heroes in the... Who is that talking?
Ma'am, I.
Please mute your audio.
Ma'am, third one.
Third one, mention the animals listed in the poem. Which all animals are mentioned in the poem? Dog, lion, tiger, fish, elephant, tiger, goat,
Fourth
cow,
one.
dog. Question number 4. What do the heroes in the poem do? What do the heroes in the poem do? They travel, they build ships, they win wars. They travel, they build ships, they win wars. And the last question, what does the word tale mean? T-A-L-E. What does the word tale mean? Story, prayer, truth. Story, prayer, truth. Afif, the simple test you have to make a mistake, is it? Huh? Everybody was supposed to get 5 out of 5 in this.
Ma'am, I get 5 out of 5.
Yes, Farmers, very good.
Ma'am, I also got 5 out of 5.
Okay, I can see the marks. I have only asked people who have got 4 out of 5. Such a simple test, why are you getting 4 out of 5? Huh? Because of your carelessness. You're in a hurry to finish the exam. I am not going to give any prize for winners. Take your time, read the questions and click on the answers. Finished?
Yes.
Everyone
Yes.
is finished?
Yes.
Wait, let me see. I have got 28 responses. 29, 30, 31 I'm supposed to get. Okay. Now, take your rough book. You remember last week we started writing sentences from words? Yes. So to this week, I'm going to give you 3 words. Okay. So your words, I will tell you. Have you opened your rough books?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your first word is bring. Okay. Bring. Second word is kind.
Kind. Kind.
And the last word is tiny.
Tiny.
Yes, I will give you 5 minutes. Make your sentences. Write down these 3 words first. Bring, kind, tiny. And then finished.
No, ma'am.
Have you finished writing these 3 words? Okay. Now make your sentences. Now make sentences using bring, kind, and tiny.
I'm not seeing board.
Why you want to see the board? Only 3 words. Advait has finished.
Yes.
Okay, Advait, tell me the word with bring. Tell me a sentence with bring. You have not written. Then why did you say finished?
Written.
Huh?
Written.
Then read that sentence.
Bring.
Not the word. I said make sentences with bring. Make sentences with the words I have given.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sarah?
B.
Hmm. Hmm.
D-R-I-N-G.
Sarah, make sentences, not write the words. I want you to make sentence with bring. I want you to make sentence with bring, kind, and tiny.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
My
Hmm.
papa
Hmm.
bring a doll.
That's the sentence is wrong, Aradhya. Okay, you will never say my papa bring. You will only say my papa brought. Okay? Yes, Anam.
I like to bring chocolates to my teachers and friends.
I like to bring chocolates to my teachers and friends. Okay, good. Yes, Prarthana.
Please bring some water.
Very good. Please bring some water. Yes.
Thank you.
Happy.
Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Farmis.
I bring balls.
Huh?
I bring balls.
The sentence is wrong, Farmis. I will bring is correct. Okay. I bring is wrong. Yes. What about the others? Prarthana and Annam, what about the other 2 words? Kind and tiny. Have you made sentences? Try with the other 2 words also. Those who have finished can raise their hands. I will give you a chance. Afif, what are you doing? Reading the newspaper. I have given you an activity to do. Please do it. I don't want sentences from the textbook. I want your own sentences. Yes, anybody has made with kind or tiny? Joanne? Yes, Lakshmika? Unmute Lakshmika. Yes, Lakshmika?
I'm used to have different types.
Not clear. I cannot make what you're saying.
Ma'am, finish.
Your voice is breaking. Yes, Afif, tell me the sentence.
Ma'am, can I say the sentence of tiny?
Yes, yes.
I have a tiny keychain.
I have a tiny keychain. Okay, good. Yes. Anybody else? Yes, Joanne.
I am bringing books.
I am bringing books. Okay.
Tiny ball.
I have.
Tiny ball.
Okay.
I am kind to others.
Very good. I am kind to others.
There is a tiny ball.
Okay, okay. Yes, Sarah.
And she is very kind. Bringing a kind of water.
Okay. Bring me a glass of water. Yes, Madhur Dattan.
I have a tiny pussycat.
I have a tiny pussycat. Okay, Vaiga.
Ma'am, I am. My grandmother is very kind.
My grandmother is very kind. Okay, good. Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, there is tiny house.
I what?
There is a tiny house.
There is a tiny house. Okay. Yes. What about the others who have not tried? Janicia? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Yes. Yes. 1 second. 1 second, Devdaksh. Yes, Janicia, tell me. Quickly.
Ma'am,
Mm.
and
Yes.
my
Uh,
teacher
uh,
is very kind.
my teacher is very kind. Okay. Yes, Devdaksh.
My friends have a tiny keychain.
My friends have a tiny keychain. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Yes, Daksha.
I got to bring my storybook.
I went to bring my storybook. Okay. So now I think almost everybody has made sentences. So next class, I will give you more words. Okay. The others who are not trying, please try. I have always, the same people are telling me the sentences.
Ma'am,
Yes, Heba? Hmm.
I brought a beautiful cake.
I brought a beautiful cake. Okay, that the sentence is good, but my word was bring. Yes, Annam?
Bringing a water.
Huh?
Bringing a water.
Bringing a water is wrong, Sarah. Bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. Okay. Okay, so I am winding today's class here. Thank you and happy birthday again to Devarsh and Farmers. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.